Hello friends, welcome to Middle Geekers Academy. Today we'll start third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Recall what are linear equations. Linear equations means equations whose graph is a straight line, or linear equation is an equation whose highest degree is 1. Here we will deal with linear equations with two variables. Let us define it. An equation which is of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where both a and b are non-zero, a, b, c are real numbers, and x and y are two variables, is called linear equation in two variables. For example, 2x plus 3y equals to 7, or you may say root 3x minus root 5y plus 8 equals to 0. So these are the examples of linear equations. The next word immediately comes after equation is solution. Solution of linear equations. Solution means a value which satisfies its own equation is called solution. So in this, a pair of values of x and y which satisfies the given linear equation is called solution of linear equation. Such a pair of solution is called ordered pair. For example, consider a linear equation, say 2x plus 3y equals to 5. If we put x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 in this above equation, let us check what happens. LHS is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, which gives 2 plus 3, that is 5, which is RHS of that equation. So x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 satisfies the given linear equation. So you may call x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 as a solution of linear equation. Next is general pair of linear equation. Usually we write linear equation as ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here the equations under consideration are two equations. So let us denote the constants by a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. In this chapter, we will study following methods to solve pair of linear equations. So these are the methods: graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Also, we will deal with consistency of pair of linear equations. Consistency means whether the given pair of equation has solution or not. Second, equations which are reducible to pair of linear equations. Let's start. First exercise of this chapter, exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So let us assume their present ages be x years and y years. Let Aftab's present age be x years and that of his daughter's age be y years. Now from the data, it is given that 7 years ago means we'll subtract 7 from their present ages, y minus 7. Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter's age. 7 times means 7 into. That is x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49. That is x plus 42 equals to 7y. So what is the value of y? This will be x plus 42 upon 7. This is the first equation. Now, again it is given that 3 years from now, means 3 years later, their ages will be x plus 3 years and y plus 3 years. Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter's age, means 3 into y plus 3. That is 3y plus 9, which gives x minus 6 equals to 3y. Means y is x minus 6 upon 3. So these are the two equations. To draw graphs of these two equations, we must know the points. 2 points are sufficient to draw graph of any line. So consider the first. In the first row, you write x. In the second row, you write the value of y. In the third row, pair x comma y. So if we substitute 0, this will be convenient. So if x is 0, then the corresponding y value is, yes, 6. So 0 comma 6 is the first point. Now, on substituting, say 7, this y will give you 7 plus 49, 7 plus 42 upon 7, means 49 by 7, that is 7. So the second point is 7 comma 7. Let us denote these 2 points by a and b. So a is 0, 6 and b is 7 comma 7. Consider the second equation now. Here the y value is x minus 6 upon 3. On substituting x equals to 6, this y becomes 0. 0 by 3 is 0. So 6 comma 0 is the first point. On substituting, say 12, 12 minus 6 upon 3 gives 2. So 12 comma 2 is the second point. Let us denote these 2 points by c and d. So c 6 comma 0 and d 12 comma 2. Now let us plot these 4 points on a graph paper. The first point is 0 comma 6. Where it should lie? Yes, it should lie on a positive y-axis. The second point is 7 comma 7. So take 7 units from x and 7 units from y. Join these 2 points, a and b. So this is the graph of first line. Second, to draw second line, the points are 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0 is a point on positive x-axis and 12 comma 2. Here it is. So join C and D. Joining these 2 points. So this is the second equation. As you can see, they intersect at 42 comma 12. So we can write 2 equations intersect at 42 comma 12. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So here, let us consider the cost to be rupees x and rupees y. Let the cost of one bat and one ball be rupees x and rupees y. Now from the given data, 3 bat and 6 balls means 3x plus 6y. Together the cost is rupees 3,900. Here you can divide it by 3. It gives x plus 2y equals to 1,300. that is 2y is 1300 minus x. So y is 1300 minus x upon 2. This is the first equation. Now from further data, she buys another bat and 3 more balls, means x plus 3y. Together they cost rupees 1300. So 3y is 1300 minus x, means y is 1300 minus x upon 3. This is the second equation. Let us find points on these two lines. In the first, x. In the second row, y is 1300 minus x upon 2. In the third row, the pair x comma y. So if we substitute x equals to 0, then the corresponding y value will be, yes, 650. So the first point is 0 comma 650. Now put convenient value of x, say 1300. Corresponding y value will be 0. So it is 1300 comma 0. From the second equation, y is 1300 minus x upon 3. In the third row, write the pair x comma y. Choose convenient value of x. If we take x equals to 100, then y will be 1200 upon 3, which gives 400. So the pair is 100 comma 400. Take another convenient value of x. Let us say 1000. Corresponding y value will be 1300 minus 1000 upon 3, that is 100. So the second point is 1000 comma 100. So let a be 0 comma 650, b 1300 comma 0, c 100 comma 400, and d 1000 comma 100. Let us plot these 4 points on a graph paper. The first point is 0 comma 650. It will lie on y-axis. So this is the point A. Second point is 1300 comma 0. So it will lie on positive x-axis. So this is the second point. Join A and B. To plot the second equation, the points are 100 and 400. 100 on x-axis and 400 on y-axis. So it will be here, C point. Next is 1000 comma 100. 1000 comma 100. This is D point. Join C and D. As you can see, they intersect at 1300 comma 0. So two equations intersect at 1300 comma 0. Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So here, let us assume the cost of 1 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes be rupees x and y. Let the cost of 1 kg apple be rupees x and that of 1 kg grapes be rupees y. So from the given conditions, 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes means 2x plus y is rupees 160. So y is 160 minus 2x. This is the first equation. Again, from the given conditions, 4 kg of apples means 4x, 2 kg of grapes means 2y. This is rupees 300. You first divide by 2. So we get 2x plus y equals to 150. So from this, y is 150 minus 2x. Let us find points on these lines. So x, y is 160 minus 2x and x comma y. Choose convenient values of x and x. So if x is say 50, corresponding y value will be 60. So the first point is 50 comma 60. If we take x equals to say 30, 160 minus 60 is 100. So the second point is 30 comma 100. Points on second line, it is y equals to 150 minus 2x, x comma y. Take x equals to say 50. 150 minus 100 gives 50. 50, 50. Now choose again one more value of x. Let us say 40. The corresponding y value will be 150 minus 80, that is 70. So we have 40 comma 70. So the points are A 50 60, B 30 comma 100, C 50 50, and D 40 70. Let us plot these 4 points on graph paper. The first point is 50 comma 60. 50 on x-axis and 60 from y-axis. So this is the point A. The second point is 30 comma 100. So it will be, yes, here, B. Join A and B. This is first line. The second, 50 50 and 40 70. 50 comma 50, it will be here, C point, and 40 comma 70. So this is D point. Join C and D. As you can see, they do not intersect, means the lines are parallel. So we'll write two lines do not intersect. That is, they are parallel. So this completes first exercise of chapter 3. Thank you.